Hello everyone, welcome to KCM. Myself Pavitra and this is Sherina. Today CMG பண்ண போறாங்க engineering mechanics என்ன டாபிக்னா law of triangle force, law of polygon force and Lami's theorem.
So first one, law of triangle forces. This states that when two forces acting on a body, that is a rigid body, the two forces can be taken as the two successive sides of the triangle, and it is taken in the same direction. So the resultant will be in the opposite direction of it. That is, when we see a rigid body, two forces are applied on it, P and Q. So we can take these both forces as the two successive sides of a triangle, P, and this is Q, that is in the same direction. This goes in the anti-clockwise direction. So the resultant will be in the opposite direction, that is clockwise direction. So this is the law of triangle of forces. Second one, the law of polygon forces. This law of polygon forces state that when three or more forces acting on a point, they all stay in equilibrium, and they can also be considered as the successive sides of the polygon, and the resultant is taken in the opposite direction of it. The same as this, but we can see that three forces are acting on it. We'll take all the forces as the successive sides of a polygon. This is P, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. So this is taken in the anti-clockwise direction, and therefore the resultant, it is taken in clockwise direction. This is the law of polygon forces. And the next one is Lami's theorem. According to Lami's theorem, three coplanar, concurrent and collinear forces, when they are in equilibrium and acting on a point, they are proportional to the sine of the angle between them. That is, we'll take three forces acting in the same point, P, Q and R. These three forces, they are acting on the same point, and we'll take this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma. We saw that the law states that all the three forces, when they are in equilibrium and acting in the same point, they will be directly proportional to the angle sine of the angle between them. So P is directly proportional to sine alpha, Q is directly proportional to sine beta, and R is directly proportional to sine gamma. In order to remove these proportionality signs, we take a constant as K. Proportionality constant K is taken. So this we take it as P is equal to K sine alpha, Q is equal to K sine beta, while R is equal to K sine gamma. On taking K to one side, we receive as P by sine alpha plus Q by sine beta plus R by sine gamma. This is a statement for Lami's theorem.
இந்த வீடியோல law of triangle force and law of polygon force and Lami's theorem பத்தி பார்த்தோம். இது அழகா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண ஷெரினாக்கு
Thank you all.